Hey everyone, this is Gerd Medina, and today I'll be teaching you how to prepare an amazing protein shake for you and your family. First, I'll be showing you the ingredients you'll be needing for this. After that, I'll talk about the quantities, amounts, and proportions. And finally, I'll show you the actual process of making the milkshake so you can see it for yourselves. First, we'll need some coconut milk. Coconut milk is very healthy compared to regular milk and adds a special flavor to milkshakes. Next, you'll need the protein powder. In this case, I'll be using this chocolate-flavored ProPlant Complete Shake. Finally, to further enhance the flavor of our protein shake, I'll be adding some vanilla flavoring and some cinnamon powder. Additionally, if you don't quite enjoy the consistency of coconut milk, you may also add some lactose-free milk according to your liking. Okay, so now that we have our ingredients, let's see how much we actually need per milkshake. So, starting with our coconut milk, we will need 500 milliliters or 50% of the 1 liter carton. This means that our milk to milkshake ratio is pretty much 1 to 1. Next, we have our protein powder. So, according to our powder packaging, 1 scoop or 32.1 grams should be added to about 10 fluid ounces of milk. So, using our conversion formula, being 1 fluid ounce is equal to about 29.57 milliliters, we can simplify this expression right here, and we are left with 32.1 grams for 300 milliliters. But since we will be using 500 milliliters, we need to get the ratio. So then we divide 32.1 by 300, giving us 0.107. And then we multiply this ratio by 500, giving us 53.5 grams of protein powder. Next, we have our vanilla flavoring. So the recommended amount is about 4 milliliters per liter, meaning 4 milliliters per 1000 milliliters. And so we can simplify this to 2 millimeters for 500 milliliters, meaning that our vanilla flavoring to milk ratio is about 0.004 to 1. And lastly, we have our cinnamon powder, which is basically the same, so 4 grams per 1 liter, which can be simplified to 2 grams per 500 milliliters, leaving us with a ratio of cinnamon powder to milk of about 0.004 to 1. And now, what if we want to serve a lot of milkshakes? Well, with this formula right here, it should be pretty easy. So you see, every variable inside of the parentheses represents every ingredient unit. Therefore, if n is equal to the number of servings you need, you just multiply n by every ingredient, and that's how you get the amount of ingredients you need for the people you want to serve. Say, for example, that you want to make 3 milkshakes for your mom, your dad, and well, 1 for yourself. So you switch the n variable for a 3. So then you multiply 3 times 500m, which would give you 1.5 liters of milk. Then you multiply it times 53.4p, which would give you 160.5 grams of protein powder. Then you do it, you multiply 3 times 2v, which would give you 6 milliliters of vanilla flavoring, and then times 2, which would give you 6 grams of cinnamon powder. Once we've got all our ingredients and proportions right, we can head to the kitchen to begin preparing our delicious milkshake. So I'll see you downstairs in a moment.
Not bad at all.